Hey guys, today we're going to be doing a Roblox video on Escape the Kitchen. Since I did Escape the Bathroom, I decided to do Escape the Kitchen. So I saw Joey Graceffa and Yami XOX do this map, so I decided to do it. So let's get started. Oh my god, I don't like this. Oh my god, there's like a ice storm or something outside. It's really... I think we don't have school tomorrow. I hope we don't. Fingers crossed. I have swimming tomorrow. Oh, that's gonna be crazy. But I have an indoor pool in my school, so yeah. I keep falling on the last one. Oh, look at Mr. Rat. My cousin. I'm kidding. Yeah, I did it. Now on to the next level. Walking upstairs. Climb this brown ladder. Hot sauce. Jumping hot lava. Really kind of like hot lava. But hot sauce more. And I'm not playing with Victoria because she's sick. So, yeah, but she'll be filming videos. Like, she filmed the Minecraft video that she uploaded. You guys check that out. She built like a castle in that world and a trampoline, you know, stuff like that. You'll go if you watch the video, you'll find out. Yeah. So our survival craft episodes, we won't be able to do them because we have to be connected to the same Wi-Fi. I know it sucks. And we can't go on Xbox Live because we don't have accounts. Yeah, so we can't play with each other. Oh, yeah. Oh, cookies! This one's kind of easier. Because you just put stuff on the cookies. Down we go. Walk through the middle. Wait, I don't know where we are. Are we in like in the bottom drawer of the... I'm allergic to this stuff. How are you allergic? Oh, well, he's a teapot, so... What? How are we supposed to get up there? Oh, I think we have to jump on the cans. Oh my god. It's so cold in here. And my birthday's in 2 days. So I would probably be doing a special video for that. I keep dying in this part. That's like a little roof, probably. Okay. I just ran into it. Yes. Did I even step in it. Look at my body. I didn't even step in it. Do you see my feet? Look like a step in it. I better make this. Yay! Reese's Puff. All mine. It's hard to jump on here. Okay. Oh my god, I can't do it. Was I supposed to be easy? Okay, I did it. Oh no! Now I have to go back all the way down. Oh. What the hell? I pressed it. Did I even step in it? Look at. Did I even step in it? Oh my god. How did I jump into the apple? Everly Evie wants to be my friend. You guys want to add me on Roblox, Savage underscore Princess 75. And Victoria's is Savage underscore Girl 75. She didn't want to copy my name. Bully. I better make this. What did I... What? I didn't even touch it! Oh my god. It's really sad. Did I even step in it? Oh my god, stupid storage. I don't care about you. I don't like storage. Oh no. Okay. My god, you see my skin? What? I was over there. How did I die? I didn't get this. Did it look like I stepped in it? Something wrong with my phone. I know I stepped in that there. Oh, that was the neighbor. I think. What? What? Like something under the ground or something? What the heck is wrong with me? Does the game hate me? The game probably hates me. Yay! Ready to pass. First level. This is so hard, jumping over there. Okay, I teleported, I think. I don't know. What? Oh my god, I hate this. I'm really bad at this. Victoria's better than this at me. Than me. Well, guys, I think that's it for today. Hope you guys enjoy. And bye!